Hey guys, Drew from Buzz's Ski Shop here in Vail, Colorado. Today we're testing the Blizzard Anomaly 94. So 94 waist width. This is a double sheet of Tetonol, Woodcore ski, front side ripper, get into some crud. Let's check it out. Alright, let's do this. Perfect groomer day out here. Blizzard Anomaly 94. First couple turns feel pretty sweet. A lot of energy just launching me into the next turn. Yeah, this thing feels really nice right off the bat. A little bit wider front side ski, which personally I like a lot. All right, yeah, Blizzard Anomaly 94. It's got 2 sheets of metal, it says, but feels really supple and carves amazing. Quick edge to edge. Just our little warm-up pitch here. We got some groomed terrain, a little steeper right here, so let them eat. Super easy to initiate the edge. It's just like right there, no effort. This thing's awesome. Wasn't expecting to like this. That ski, tons of energy, but it doesn't feel stiff. This is actually Buzz's favorite ski from the 25 ski test he did last year, and I agree. These are awesome. Blizzard Anomaly 94. Check out our YouTube, subscribe for more reviews. Yeah.